hindi naman lahat ng couples may prenup shoot. So, super weird pa naman na pag mamimit mo lang yung couple, especially yung bride, pag nandun na siya sa makeup shoot.
Do you think it's more of a communication thing, what the couple wants, what the videographer and photographer wants? Kaya nasasabi na parang, ay, nagpo-post-post na lang tayo? Is it a communication thing that causes it? Or do you think na napipilitan yung mga couples based on photographer style, videographer styles? Or do you feel na maybe couples just fail to communicate what they want?
No, kasi ibubuka ng couple kasi alam niya na yung body of work niya.
Yeah.
Alam niya na yung style. So,
Yeah.
kami, every wedding, meron kami detailed notes, mga do's and don'ts.
Yeah.
So, itong couple na to, ayaw niya ng, super shy siya, pero parang gusto niya na magkwento ng konti. So, parang mga minimal interview, ganyan. Ito, no interview at all, mga ganyan.
So, kiniklarify nyo na kaagad. Parang klaro na kaagad.
Tapos, mostly mga request nila, yun din yung gusto namin talaga. Pero laging kulang sa time.
Kulang sa time.
Agree ako kay Patrick kasi sobrang importante. Like kami, hindi naman lahat ng couples may prenup shoot.
Yeah.
Kasi sa prenup shoot, yun yung pinaka-perfect
Time
timing.
na you get to know each other.
Oo. Pero, pag walang prenup shoot, we make sure na kailangan may discovery call. May discovery call before meeting or meeting before the wedding na.
Para hindi awkward.
Pati para, ayun, tama si Pat. Kung ano yung gusto ng couple, masabi namin.
And this is something that couples need to think about. Sometimes you build your chemistry and being comfortable with the videographer and the photographer through prenup shoots. And if you don't do that, it might be worth it to have conscious effort to have a discovery call para at least comfortable. Hindi ko yung parang sino ka, ba't mo ako pinipicture? Parang, so that's something na minsan hindi nagagawa ng lahat. You're saying.
Minsan, super weird pa naman na pag mamimit mo lang yung couple, especially yung bride, pag nandun na siya sa makeup chair. Minsan ganun pag hindi mo, yun ang unang meet up niya na, hi, I'm Kay from Team Benitez, ganun. Kaya super important na makipag-set talaga ng meeting ahead.